Evening to all the viewers. Let me firstly to introduce myself. I'm Zianda Mpani, one of the managers within the club Wonderful 11, also the chair of the LFA. Next to me it's one of my friends, one of the managers within the Wonderful 11. Firstly, I will just give you a brief background why we are here. We decided that in this year of 2025, let's shift our focus mainly to the youth, particularly bringing one of the magnificent tournaments. We saw that there is a need to revive the football between Tsholomnqa and Nqeka. It's been a while that we didn't see tournaments being successful. We have tried our best. Our target for this tournament, we targeted teams around 32 teams, which was our threshold, but we only having few spaces which were not filled, which is we ended up having teams that were 29 for our tournament. Our tournament was a success. Our tournament, and we brought all the people that we wanted to be here, particularly the youth. Was our target market was the youth, so that they must keep them busy for the June 16 as from the Saturday up until the last day. Today is the last day. The final is being played now. Our tournament was not a money-making tournament. It was really for the benefit of the sport people, particularly the soccer. We have met with one of our main sponsors as a team. We have a sponsorship with Kids Beach Fuels, which now is running for plus minus 2 years while we're playing to ACB, but unfortunately due to some challenges with the team, we came back and played to the LFA. So it was more of this tournament, us as a Wonderful giving back to our sponsors to say, we are giving you the publicity that you need, so that the tournament must be named under one of our major sponsors, so that we give them the support and also the publicity that they deserve, because they've been with us for quite some time, and for us as a team we needed to bring those relations very closer and closer. This is our first edition. We are looking forward for the next editions, as we see that the teams that are playing, it's the teams that are here for local. Arsenal is from here, Parma Aces is from here in Tsholomnqa, so we are very proud of that when we see teams that are within our base of area being participating in the final, because exactly this is what we were looking for, bringing football back to in their usual norm, their standards. And we believe after this June 16 we won't drop it. We'll take from this level to another level. That's the brief background about why we are here in this June